Nah, this was just a statement to Dion that we not gonna let your son come in here, and we gonna punish him for being your son. We're gonna try to make an example about him, and it's cool because I hope that he shines in Cleveland. And you know what? I hope the best, and then I hope the triumphant worst. I hope that he take y'all to a Super Bowl, and then y'all might not win, and then he decide to leave, and he send y'all right back to mediocrity, bitch. I hope he send you right back down. And just I want the worst,
and then get straight.
I want you to get a good. I want you to get a good hit of it. You like we were right there, and then he'd be like, "I'm going somewhere else," and they're gonna be like, "No."
I can taste it.
Yeah,